Hello guys, today it's my first video, and also it's great cause I just got introduced to YouTube. I'm new to YouTube, so since I'm new to YouTube, if I do anything wrong, please don't get mad at me for it, cause literally I'm new to YouTube. Sort of new to YouTube. I'm sort of new to YouTube, let's say. I'm sort of new to it, is what I am. So, do you know I've already had to re-upload a video 2 times and it failed again. So I've been trying to upload videos and it hasn't been going very well. I'm probably going to have to delete all my photos because I just have too much stuff stored on my iPad. I just can't record with it very well. Because I do record with an iPad. I don't know why I don't use an actual camera, but I probably should. I use an iPad to record. I don't know why I use an iPad to record, but you know, most kids use an iPad to record because they don't have a phone or camera or anything. If their parents had a camera, they probably wouldn't let their kid use it anyways, so kids usually use their iPad to record videos and take pictures because parents wouldn't usually let kids use their camera because the parents never know what they could do on it. They could delete all of their photos and everything. So it wouldn't be a good idea to give your camera to a kid because he might do something bad on it. You don't want that to happen. Oh wait, am I yeah, oh yeah, I'm recording. So I might post this on YouTube or not. But I'm going to post it on YouTube, so But to let you know, if you want, you can friend me on Xbox 360 and join my game. And if you want to go to my server, just say, can we go to your server? And then I'd go to it. But I get a little mad sometimes, so when I get mad, don't worry about it, because I'm trying to stop getting mad at everything for some reason, or being mean and everything like that, but you know, I still be mean a lot for some reason. But if I ever be mean to you, I'd say sorry. So, I've already got my server lobby. I don't have a server lobby finished. Am I dumb? But if you have any suggestions or anything, if you have any suggestions for stuff that I should put in my server, comment down below your suggestion if you know any good thing that I should put in my server. Because you never know. If you have any good suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section if you can and you're logged into YouTube. And also, at the end of the video, I kind of need to start working on a new intro though. I wonder what I'm going to do with my I'm wondering how I'm going to make my intros even work. I'm really good at editing, so I'm probably going to have to use an easy editing app for like some kind of intro like that. Because I'm really good at editing, but I'm really good at editing intros and making intros. I'm really good at making intros, but I ain't good at editing. But if you friend me on Xbox and you went to my server, you gotta read some rules first. I'll read the rules for you, so you won't have to join the game to see the rules. Okay, our rules are, I have to read the whole entire thing. Not only the rules. Okay, I'm going to read all of our signs here. Hello there, and welcome to FunAverage4987 Plzz. Oh, yeah, FunAverage4987 is my server name. I always forget FunAverage4987. But there are a few rules. No griefing, no swearing, no stealing, and have fun. I should probably put some more rules there. And if anyone does something bad, report them. Have fun. Even though the server ain't finished, you guys can help me with it. If you friend me on the Xbox and join my game, you can help me with it. If you randomly friend me on the Xbox 360 and you recognize my voice and you watch my YouTube videos, then you're lucky. You're just too lucky. I might also do some trolling videos. You never know. You never know if you'll get trolled or not. But if you guys have any ways I should troll people, leave your suggestion down in the comments section. I just like, for some reason, people to give me suggestions on what I should do, because I have no idea of what I should put in my server or anything. But we're mostly working on the spawn point of the server. But hold on, is this the world spawn? Okay, there, fixed it. Sorry if my Xbox and everything is a different language, but I can't help that. So, I should probably get to work. I'll get to work on the rest tomorrow, guys. Or maybe tomorrow. Or maybe I'll start working on the rest of it later. I'll start working on the rest of the parts later in this day. But this is goodbye to you all. And I'm going to I don't know how to give people shout outs. Well, I can heart people's comments, so you can leave some good comments and they might get a heart on them. And they might make me like them and reply to them. So, this is the end of the video. And goodbye. Please like and subscribe if you even find my YouTube channel. And to all those kids out there, if I don't pick your suggestion in the comments, don't cry, please. I don't like to help kids with crying. It kind of annoys me. So, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Have a good day, everybody. See you later.